Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will begin by securing your current state, so back up display settings and take a screenshot for reference. Next, open settings and go straight to display or accessibility. Enable any developer or experimental scaling options if required. Once done, close heavy apps to reduce memory pressure. This prevents hiccups while the UI resizes. You are starting practical changes now. Do not stall on general advice, and prepare to apply small increments so you can confirm visibility and touch accuracy as you proceed. You will methodically reduce the effective screen size by lowering DPI or display scaling. Change in small increments, like 5% to 10%, and test tap targets after each step. If the UI doesn't allow fine control, use ADB or developer DPI commands to set precise values. This gives you more resolution and avoids blunt jumps. Once adjusted, reposition icons, widgets, and the keyboard so interactive elements remain reachable. Make sure to test common apps and gestures, because you will finalize by verifying readability and touch reachability in 3 representative apps: messaging, browser, and settings. If something breaks, revert immediately to your saved profile or screenshot to restore a working baseline. That rollback protects data and time. Once stable, tidy up by clearing app caches and performing a reboot to flush layout caches. If you still see rendering glitches, try slightly larger scaling until stable, and remember, reverting is faster than fighting a tiny, unusable interface.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.